Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that we are revising the syllabus of your revision test 3.7. Yesterday we discussed short answer type questions from the enemy which were asked in last 10 years question paper. Today we are going to discuss long answer type questions from the chapter The Enemy. Let us begin. Question number 1. What happened when Dr. Sedao? What happened when Dr. Sedao? What happened when Dr. Sedao and his wife Hannah and his wife Hannah and his wife Hannah found the soldier of enemy found the soldier of enemy. What happened when Dr. Sedao and his wife Hannah found the soldier of enemy forces outside their house. Enemy forces the soldier of enemy forces outside enemy forces outside their house. Outside their house. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2020. Okay. What happened when Dr. Sedao and his wife Hannah found the soldier of enemy forces outside their house? So we have seen when they saw that something came out from the sea, something was there at the bank of the sea, and later he started crawling. After they had gone near to him, they found that he was an American soldier. He was the soldier of enemy force. Okay, so let us go through the part of the text where you can find answer to this question. Dr. Sedao and Hannah was standing. Dr. Sedao and Hannah was standing outside their house. They saw someone flung by the waves of the sea. They went closer and saw that he was an enemy soldier. They were in a dilemma. They first thought of throwing him back in the sea, but their compassionate nature could not allow them to throw the wounded person into the sea. So they decided to take him in and treat his wound first, and then hand him over to the police. When he recovered, Dr. Sedao operated upon the wound of the American and brought the bullet out from the wound He gave him an injection to boost up the pulse rate. Hannah administered anesthesia to the American. They served the soldier even after their servants left the house in protest against sheltering an enemy in the house. When the soldier was fully recovered from his illness, Dr. Sedao sent him back to sea to an unguarded island from where he could go away in a Korean fishing boat. Okay, so it's all about the part of the story when Dr. Sedao and his wife Hannah saw the person, saw the wounded American soldier. Okay, so let me rub it and write down the next question for you. Question number 2. How did the servants of the Sedao's household, how did the servants of, how did the servants of, how did the servants of Sedao's, how did the servants of Sedao's household try to influence Sedao's household try to influence, try to influence his decision of keeping the enemy, influence his decision of keeping the enemy. How did the servants of Sedao's household try to influence his decision of keeping the enemy soldier in the house? Keeping the enemy soldier in the house. Okay. How did the servants of Sedao's household try to influence his decision of keeping the enemy soldier in the house? Okay. So let us, we have seen in the story how when the servants of Sedao's household came to know that he was an American soldier, as a war between America and Japan was going on. So that is why they decided not to serve in Sedao's house, and they left Sedao's house, considering him a person who was working against the country. I do not remember the exact word this time. Let us go through the part of the story, then we will get to know what happened in the story. The servants in Dr. Sedao's home were against keeping the enemy soldier at home. They did not want their master to get in trouble and condemned in the society. They tried to make they tried to make him understand that the American was tried to be killed by the sea and by the rocks. If their master would try to save him, then the nature would be angry with him and inflict pain on him and his family. They also tried to put mental and emotional pressure on Hannah by discussing matter openly in the house so that their views could be heard by Hannah. They discussed that their master was very proud of his ability to heal wounds. In his pride, he had forgotten whom he was saving. They also did their best to make Hannah aware of the consequences by discussing about the disgrace and condemnation it would bring to the family when they would be called traitors. Yes, that exact word is traitors. When all these things did not work, they decided to leave their jobs and went out of the house. So this is what happened when Hannah and Dr. Sedao, especially Dr. Sedao, Hannah was not ready, but as Dr. Sedao wanted to treat the American soldier, so he had to stand by her husband. So that is why she was compelled to help him. Okay. So this question has been asked in CBSE examination 2013. Okay, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2013. So let me rub it and write down the next question. Question number 3. Write the character sketch of Dr. Sedao Hoki. Write the character sketch. The character sketch. Write the character sketch of Dr. Sedao Hoki. Of Dr. Sedao Hoki. Write the character sketch of Dr. Sedao Hoki with a special reference to his quality to his quality with the special reference to his quality of patriotism and humanity. Of patriotism and humanity. Okay. Write the character sketch of Dr. Sedao Hoki with special reference to his quality of patriotism and humanity. It has been asked in CBSE examination 2014. Okay. So as we have seen that when Dr. Sedao came across the uh, patient, and later he came to know he was a soldier of American force. First he thought to throw him back in the sea, into the sea, but later he remembered his duty as a doctor, as a surgeon, and that is why he decided to take that prisoner of war at home and treat him. After treating, he, as he decided that he would hand him over to the police, but he could not do that because he thought that it would take a lot of labor and a lot of expertise, okay, in order to cure him. But he revealed each and everything to the general, and later what happened, general asked him to send the assassins, but he did not send. He had forgotten about it, so he himself sent by a boat. He himself sent the prisoner of American back. So let's go through the part of the lesson where we can find answer to this question. Sedao Hoki was both expert surgeon in the art of healing wounds and a scientist as well. At the age of 22, his father sent him to America to study surgery and medicine. There he fell in love with Hana and married after returning from Japan. When his father was convinced that the girl was a pure Japanese, he was very generous and loyal to his country. His wife Hana was also a sympathetic, kind, obedient, and faithful wife. While standing on the veranda of their house, they saw something crawling on the beach. They approached there and found that he was a wounded and an escaped prisoner of war. At one time, they thought to throw him back in the sea. On the other hand, they thought that the fellow would die if handed over to the police. As a doctor, he was trained to save a life if he could do. There flowed the milk of human kindness in both of them. They brought him home, but the servants were badly against them. Sedao performed the operation and his wife Hana stood by him through every thick and thin. There was a great risk of Dr. Sedao being arrested for harboring a prisoner of war. Being a patriot, he declared everything to the general and was ready to face the consequences. This shows that both Dr. Sedao and his wife Hana were sympathetic, loyal, patriot, compassionate, and honest people. Okay, so it's all about Dr. Sedao and Hana. Especially, we are supposed to write the character sketch of Create a sketch of Dr. Sedao Hockey, and so we have described how he was he had patriotism, and how he also fulfilled his duty as a surgeon. Okay, let me wrap it and write down the next question for you. Question number 3. How did Dr. Sedao rise above? How did Dr. Sedao rise? How did Dr. Sedao rise above narrow prejudices of race and country? Rise above narrow prejudices. Rise above narrow prejudices. Narrow prejudices of race and country to help a human being of race and country to help a human being in need. To help a human being in need. Okay, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2013 and 15. It is very important question. Okay, it has been asked in CBSE examination 2013 and 2015. Let me write it in a proper way. So how did Dr. Sedao rise above narrow prejudices of race and country to help a human being in need? So as we have seen in the story, the whole story is about only of rising above from narrow prejudices of race and country. When Sedao saw a person at the bank of the sea as he was crawling, even after going to him, after reaching him, he found he was a soldier from enemy's force. He decided to help him. So these qualities of Sedao shows that how he kept humanity above than the prejudices of race and country. So let us go through the part of the text where we can find this answer. Find answer to this question. Dr. Sedao Hockey was a very dutiful and humanitarian doctor. He was very much compelled by his duty to help the enemy soldier. Instead of caring for the prejudices of race and country, he rose above to save the American soldier. He raised above to save an American soldier. His wife too lent a helping hand without paying any heed whether the patient was an enemy or friend. She was standing by Dr. Sedao. Hannah, wife of Dr. Sedao, also stood by him. He was floating his duty as a doctor. On other, the feeling of compassion and humanity had the upper hand. As that time Japan is at war with America and a person cannot shelter an enemy, even during his training, he had realized the unpleasant experiences of racial discrimination among the whites. He had patriotic feelings and could not ignore his duty as a doctor, since a doctor's duty was to save the humanity. Here, the professional loyalty of Dr. Sedao came in conflict with a sense of loyalty, national loyalty, but he operated upon the American soldier and served him at as his house in the most precious condition of his safety. He could face all the charges of traitor, but he put his life in danger and saved the soldier. Okay, so it's all about the part of the text where you can find out answer to this question. Let me rub it and write down next question for you. Next question. How did Dr. Sedao, what problem did, question number 4, what problem did, Dr. Sedao face, Dr. Sedao face, what problem did Dr. Sedao face? How did the general plan to solve it? How did the general plan to solve it? What problem did Dr. Sedao face? How did the general plan to solve it? So we have seen in the story when Dr. Sedao operated upon the patient when he got well. So now the problem was to send him back, how to get rid of the patient, as he was an American. So he revealed everything to General, as General was also suffering with major wound which could be treated by Dr. Sedao only. So that is why he did not want to leave Dr. Sedao, because no one could treat his wound. So that is why he asked him that he would send his assassins and they would murder, they would kill that uh, patient, not patient, patient, now that time he was not patient, the American soldier. Okay, but later he forgotten, so Sadao himself sent him back in a boat. So go through the story and rewrite answers to all the questions which have been discussed in this video. These questions are very important. They have been asked in various examination, and this question has been asked in CBSE examination 2050. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.